Assalamualaikum, nama saya Nur Sofi Shakira binti Abdul Hafiz. Saya dari DKM 3A, nombor matrik saya 23 DKM 19F 2022.
Hi, my name is Kevin Raj. My meeting number is 23 DKM 19F 2006.
So, ini adalah presentation gas welding. Introduction. Gas welding is a welding process that melts and joins metals by heating them with a flame caused by a reaction of fuel gas and oxygen. The flux melts, solidifies, and forms a slack skin on the resultant weld metal. Objective. The gas welding equipment and related tool and the essential process safety consideration. Number 2, major classes of gas or oxy-acetylene welding process such as fusion, welding, brazing, and soldering. Third, type of filler rods and flux. Fourth, major type of welding joints. Fifth, practicing of gas welding, brazing, and soldering. Next is safety precaution. Inspect equipment for leaks at all connection using approved leak test solution. Inspect hose for leaks and worn places. Replace bad hoses. Protect hoses and cylinder from spark, flames, and hot metal. Use a flame lighter to ignite the flame.
And today I am going to talk about the working procedure of gas welding. Switch on the welder machines and use 110 volt on the electrode holder. Clean the surface of the metal plastic before welding. Place as close to the weld as possible to the metal plate. Before striking an arc, insert an electrode to the electrode holder. Adjust the electric current according to the electrode size. One use 110 volt. Arc length between the plate and electrode about 2 mm to 3 mm. Weld along the base from left to right. Positioning electrode from side 70 degrees Celsius 70 degree and form forward 90 degree. Wait the weld and metal become cooled. Then clean the welds using chipping hammer and wire brush. And this is the project results. Thank you.
This is the discussion. When metals are welded using gas welding equipment, fuel gases are mixed with oxygen to produce a concentrated flame at high temperature. This flame directly strikes a weld area and melts the material in question, often but not always, with the addition of filler material. Conclusion. The experiment can be concluded. Welding is used to making permanent joint on the metal by melting the electrode and metal. When the melt becomes cold, it combines two metal. Their problem occurs on the arc welding process is 12 not too strong caused by the weld too small. To get a best result of this arc welding process, students must know the angle that are used, concentration and the movement of the electrode, and speed of moving the electrode. The best angle for the corner joint 70 degrees on the side view and move the electrode from left to right. Distance between metal and electrode 3 mm. The thickness of the metal and type of the electrode are used are the factor in arc welding process.